Hey YouTube, welcome to the first official video of the Cloven Hoof Ranch, where we're going to be trying to raise quality boar, Nubian crosses, and Nigerian cross goats. And I thought I'd give you a little tour. You can see them over there, they're waiting to come in for the night. We have 2 Nubian does, 2 boar does, and 1 red boar buck. The buck is ABGA registered as 50% just because his mother was unregistered. His registered name is Coco, but we call him Titan. There's Mr. Stud right there. And this one saying hello is Annalie. She's our Nubian doe. This black one over here is her daughter JJ. And we actually believe Annalie is pregnant for October babies. So I'll be posting videos about her and her progression. This little boar right here is Ethel. And the white one behind her is Lucy. Both got them from the same place. She is maybe 3 or 4 years old. Ethel is a year old. And Titan is maybe a year and a half. Yes, we've got the horses getting in the way. That's our mule. Here's a donkey. And here's one of our horses, and the rest are hiding in the back over there. Alright, come on babies. You ready to go to bed? One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Really? Really? Thank you. Go love on your girls, not me. But this is where they come in at night because we do have a coyote problem here in northeast Oklahoma. Hi, Titan. Hey, Lucy. Ethel. Sorry. Keep getting your name confused. So they come up here at night, and then we turn them out on the pasture for the rest of the day. We have about 8 acres of pasture total. Quit loving on me. It'd be nice if I actually opened up the barn for you, huh? Hey, Annalie. She's a super sweet girl. And she was not looking that wide about a month ago, so hoping for babies. Ow. Dude, stop. And everybody goes in. So they have this stall of the barn. I know it's really dark. I'm filming on my phone. I apologize. They have that side of the barn. If you walk over here, we have another little area and it goes out into our, what used to be my riding arena, where we have the little goats. Why'd I do that? Sorry, I can't close that gate on the other side. So I have to come around. But we have my mother's miniature horse and her mule daughter that was born about 4 months ago now. There's Mama in the back. Her name is Mitzi. And the mule up front, her name is Tolly. And they share this pasture, and they're allowed to go in front of the barn during the day while the meat goats are outside. So they have this area until we get the donkey that you saw earlier. We get him fixed because we don't want to keep having babies out of him. And I do have another boar doe. She's up by the house though because she just had babies. And if you watched my earlier video, then you already saw them playing. But I'll show you those at the end. Okay. And the little goats, they have this lane to themselves at night. And we open it during the day. It goes out to the back of our shop over there. And on the other side is where I have my 2 Nigerian bucks. And they have this whole side, and then down in that little corner right there. My 2 bucks are named Toby and Timmy. Toby's a little black and white one. I don't know if you'll be able to see him. But he was the very first goat. He was the one that started all of this. And he is maybe 5 years old this year, I think. And we got him when he was 3 weeks old and a bottle baby. I'm sorry if they don't come out. It's like 8 o'clock our time. They're ready for bed. There we go. Okay. Well, this is where we keep our hay and our straw. Nice and convenient because it's right next to them. Hi, babies. The one right in front, her name is Elise. She's a mini Nubian doe. One over there is a Winnie. She's also a mini Nubian. And so is that painted one that just came up. Oh, now she's hiding. Her name is Kaylee, and she is half sisters to Winnie. And this one right over here, she is Evie. She's a Nigerian dwarf doe. She has blue eyes. She's really cute. The one over there in the back, her name is Tinkerbell. And that little one right over there is her son. We just call him Junior. He is a Nigerian and a mini Nubian mix because our previous buck broke out of the fence and they had a little date that was not allowed. So that was the little ones. See if Mama is still out. Our doe up here, she is another boar doe. She is registered 97%, I believe. Can't open this gate. And her registered name is Midnight in Paris. She's a really sweet girl. She tried to be a good mama for us. But, hold on. There she is. Hey, Paris. She is a really good mama. Well, she tried to be. She's a really sweet-natured doe. But she has a lot of health issues right now. If you can see from her udder, one side is severely lopsided. Probably can't hear me. She has mastitis, scarring on tissue on both udders, hoof rot, worm load, about everything you can think to go wrong in a goat she has. But she delivered twins unassisted, so good for her for that, but she's not going to be bred again. It's just not fair to her. But if anybody else has had this problem with a goat, please let me know. I mean, we didn't have any idea of what was wrong with her until we got her home. And we've had her for maybe 2 months, I believe. Because babies were born 3 weeks ago this Sunday. But really sweet girl. Sad to see that she's been in pain so much. And for the fun stuff, we have her 2 twin kids. I have this white one up here. Traditional doe. Her name is Paisley. Hi, babies. And he's kind of hard to see because it's so dark out. But the black one is named Maverick. I don't know if it'll focus on him. They want me because they just had a bottle. They want more food. Hi, babies. They will be registered. They're, like I said, Paris is registered 97%, I believe. And their sire is a traditional, like Paisley over there. And he is registered 99.9%. So there are bottle babies, and that's why they're in this pen over here and not with their mother because of her mastitis issues and worm loads, and we just don't want the babies to be dealing with that. So that's where they're over here. They are in the house at night. Maybe I'll show you that setup. No, Paris, you gotta stay. Oh, you gonna stick your head out? Alright, stick your head out. So this is their little play area. Like I said, they come in the house at night. They come out here during the day. And they're fed maybe 3 to 4 bottles of milk replacer every day. They might be going up to 1 more feeding because they're sucking down pretty fast now. Hi! Hi, sweet girl. We are going to keep her. She's going to be an addition to our breeding does out in the main herd that I showed you earlier. Whoops. And we are going to sell Maverick. We already have a buck. We have Titan. We don't need to keep him, even though he is so cute. And he's really sweet for a buck. So this was our tour. I hope to see you guys sticking on our channel and produce a lot of good animal videos for you. See y'all later.